Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In today's video we'll speak about a new platform called 3commas. The 3commas platform is a platform designed for crypto traders and forex traders. This platform at the first place was designed to serve only the team behind the project in order to maximize their earnings from the crypto markets and also from the forex markets. After that the team behind the project find that the tools of this platform was really successful and that they helped them to make profits from the crypto markets. They have decided in September 2017 to open this platform for people around the world to use their tools. So the first tool that this platform offers for crypto traders is the Groupe trading bot. So using these tools you can copy the traders, the most successful traders in the world. For example, this Kamonian Karma is making an average of profit of 19% on the crypto exchange BetRX. You click on follow and then you copy him, and your balance will be transferred to the account of Kamonian Karma and he will trade for you. So you are allocating your capital to the Kamonian Karma traders. So when he make profit, you will get also the same profit. But the platform will take commission on you, and also Kamonian Karma will take also a percentage of profits on your trade. But you need to understand that there is also a risk of losing capital, so you can lose your capital by copying these traders. Also, there is another feature so that this platform offers for its crypto trader. This feature is called Smart Trade. You will find more video about this smart trade in my YouTube channels, because you need to watch the video to understand how it works. These features will allow you to use a stop loss and take profit at the same time for your trades on BetRX, Binance, Bitfinex, Ubit, and Cryptopia. These platforms don't offer you a taking profit option. They are only offering a stop loss. So in order that you can sleep without worrying about your trades, you have to use a take profit and at the same time a stop loss. For example, you have buy Ethereum at $600 and you are looking to take profit around $700, and you are also looking to use a stop loss around $500. On this trading platform you can only set up a stop loss. You cannot use a take profit, but using the smart trade of 3commas you can set up a stop loss and taking profit at the same time. But first you have to connect your 3commas account to your cryptocurrency exchange by using the APK of your exchange platform account. I have put a video in my YouTube channel that will show you how to export your APK and how to use the stop loss and taking profit of this platform, because they are a smart algorithm that will also allow you to adjust, to program your trade to adjust with the market change. So if the price of the market goes up, automatically your taking profit will goes up. And if the markets go down, your stop loss will increase automatically, and it will reduce your losses in the case of market crash. So to find more about this tool of smart trade, I will put the link of the video that explain how to use it in the video description below. Also, you have a trade diary where you can put all the history of your trades, your losses and your profits from the crypto markets. Such tools is needed by trader, for example, from USA, to see how much they are earning and how much they are losing from the crypto markets, in order to use them to pay the taxes on cryptocurrency for the ERC authority in USA. Also, this platform offers a smart pool. The smart pool will allow for people to choose the right SEO investments to invest in, because as you know already, only 17% of the ICO are all scams, and they are all running with the money of investors, and they never hit exchange. So 3commas has think to offer this tool for its investors, called smart pool, where they offer only legit ICO to their investors in order to protect them from scams. Also, all the ICO that you see here, 3commas has verified them by speaking with the development team of this project. So I suggest you to take a look at this ICO. If you have any question about the ICO, you can inbox here the support, they will give you more information. Also, if you have not got funds to invest in this ICO, 3commas has created a pool for you. So they gather investments, and from the funds they have collect from investors, they invest into the ICO. And when the team of the ICO send the tokens to 3commas, 3commas send them to the investors of its platform. So here everyone is winning. Also, this platform offer you a features that will allow you to track your portfolio and see how much you have earned and how much you have lost. Also, they offer a really generous referral program. You will earn 10% on all the investments of your referral, because the features that this platform offer are not free, so they are paid options. in order